can I explain the fear you feel inside? 'Cause you were born into this evil world where man is killing man and no one knows just why. What have we become? Just look what we have done. All that we destroy, you must build again. When the children cry, let them know we tried. When the children sing, then a new world begins. Little child, you must sow the way to a better day for all the young. 'Cause you were born for all the world to see, that we all can live in love and peace. No more presidents, and all the world will end. One united world under God. When the children cry, let them know we try. When the children sing, then a new world begins. Just look what we have done. All that we destroy, you must build again. No more president,